Railway station. Street. Pavement. City square. Park. Factory. School. Bar. Cafe. Bank. Supermarket. Airport. Post office. Stadium. Cinema. Hotel. Restaurant. Parking garage. Parking lot, car park. Pharmacy. Police station. Subway station. Zoo. Shopping mall. Gas station. Fire department or fire station. City hall. Radio station. Library. Convenience store. Pet store. Pawn shop. Salon or barber shop. Dry cleaners. Nightclub. Skyscraper.
Intersection. Crosswalk. Bus stop. Bus driver. Traffic. Police officer. Parking. No parking. No U-turn. School ahead. Yield. Hospital. No left turn. No right turn. Railroad crossing. Railroad crossing. Traffic light. Bus. Bus stop. Police officer. Crosswalk. Traffic. There's a lot of traffic on the road. Turn right. Turn left. Stop. Ambulance. Fire truck. Police car. Taxi. Limousine.
Metropolitan. Urbanite. Big city boy girl. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolite. Sophisticate. Townie. City dweller. City boy. Town dweller. Citizen. Resident. City slicker. This can be neutral, but typically it is used as an insult, especially when someone from a rural area describes a person from a city in a negative fashion. Slicker.